In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero demo company. The Xero demo company is a fantastic tool for exploring Xero's wide array of features without any real-world consequences. However, there might come a time when you need a fresh start, whether you've experimented with features or entered too much test data. Resetting the demo company will bring it back to its original state, letting you start again with a clean slate. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, make your way over to the Xero dashboard. This is where it all begins. If you're logged in, you'll see various settings and a navigation bar. This is your command center for accessing all the features and functions within Xero. Now look for the Demo Company section in the navigation bar. This is crucial because we need to access the global drop-down menu for this area. Click on it, and you'll open a list of options regarding your Demo Company setup and configuration. After clicking the Demo Company drop-down, the next thing you want to do is find My Xero. This option allows access to the management features of your Xero account, including various settings like subscriptions, user management, and of course, demo company configurations. Click on My Xero, and this will redirect you to a new page where you can manage your organization settings. Here's where the magic happens. Now that you're in the My Xero section, you'll notice a list of tools and links. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the Reset option. Clicking on Reset initiates the process of restoring the demo company to its original unaltered state. Be mindful that once this process begins, any alterations or data you've inputted into the demo will be erased permanently, so ensure that's your intent. Following clicking Reset, you will come across another option labeled Reset Demo. Select this, and it will confirm your request to reset the demo company. This finalizes the process, clearing all inputs and returning the demo to the default setup provided by Xero. Once the reset is complete, it's always a good idea to refresh the page. This ensures you are now looking at the restored version of the demo company, ready for your next round of trials. By following these steps, you can easily and efficiently reset your Xero demo company. Don't forget that this feature is designed to help you learn and explore, so don't hesitate to experiment even more now that you have a clean slate. I hope you found this guide helpful and can now make full use of the demo company to enhance your understanding and skills with Xero's powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials.